Now, if you're having some problems with your SkyQ box here and you're getting the no signal error, well, there are a few things that you could try doing. So first is you want to confirm the TV input here. Now start with your TV remote, cycle through the available HDMI inputs until you find the one that is linked to your SkyQ box. Now, a lot of the no signal cases are simply the wrong input being selected. Now, also, you may want to reseat or replace the HDMI cable. Now, check the HDMI cable is plugged securely into both the SkyQ box and your TV. Now, plugging and reconnecting often helps. Now, if you have another HDMI cable, try swapping it to rule out a faulty one. Now, next is you want to disconnect the power cable here. Now, wait for about like 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Give the box a few minutes to reboot and see if the signal returns. Now, sometimes doing a simple reset here or soft reset can help a lot. Next is a way you may want to inspect the satellite connection. Now look at the cable running from the satellite dish to the SkyQ box. Make sure it's secure and not damaged. Now if you can safely check outside, see that the dish isn't blocked by trees, snow, or any debris. Check if it's being blocked or anything blocking it. So yeah. Now, next is you may want to reset or check for outages. Now, if your reboot doesn't work, you want to go to your home, then settings and system info, then you want to go to reset. Now, this is under your settings, by the way. Now, software reset keeps your recordings, while factory reset wipes everything here. So if the issue persists, it could be your LNB or even a wider Sky outage. Now, check the Sky service status page to confirm. And when none of the fixes before works for you, you may want to reach out to Sky directly. They can run remote checks or send an engineer if the dish or equipment needs attention. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.